Morning, good morning, good morning. Good morning, guys. This is my breakfast for today. Egg, scrambled egg, my coffee, guys. And this one for my asawa. Ito yung semal, guys. Kung sa atin pandesal sa Pilipinas, dito naman semal. Yung tawag nila dito semal. So, yan siya, guys. Sobrang crunchy nito, guys. Ang crunchy, tapos sobrang lambot sa loob. So, eto, guys. Happy holiday. Dito is, holiday din ngayon, May 1. Holiday din dito sa Vienna. So, it's 10:23 a.m. here in Vienna, Austria, and in the Philippines, it's 4:23 na ng hapon, guys. So, eto, guys. Kain tayo, guys. Ito yung favorite bread ko, guys.